Hey! Hi guys, I miss you so much. Can you see me? That window behind me is awfully bright. This week, today is April 13th, so this lesson will be for tomorrow actually, for April 14th, which is Tuesday. I miss you guys so much. I hope you're doing well, and I hope that you had a great spring break. Let's get on to what we're learning today. Today we will learn about the diphthongs OI and OY as in oi. So as in coin, coin. Now we'll do the phonics and blend the sounds to make the words with the diphthong OI. Oil, oil. Join, join. Oil, boil. Oil, soil. Oist, moist. Oist, hoist. Oil, spoil. Burr, oil, broil. Now let's look at the pictures. These pictures use the diphthong OI. So you can write the individual word, write the word on a whiteboard if you have one, or you can just work with me in saying the words, or you can write them on a piece of paper. Now I can't see the word. Oil, boil. Oil, soil. Look at those carrots. It reminds me of Easter. Oint, point. Oil, oil. Now we'll read the sentences with the OI diphthong. Gosh, I'm always in the way. Pam found a coin in the soil. So the two words that have the OI diphthong are coin and soil. Mom will boil some beans and broil some meat for lunch. Boil and broil. There's like only one letter difference between those two words. The soil was moist after the rain. Soil, moist. Soil and moist. Now we're going to build the words and make some changes to the words. Build the word and read the word. So we have oil, boil. Now please change the beginning sound b to s. Soil. Gosh, I missed one. Now we'll build the word. So we're just going to sound it out together. Hoist, hoist. If you hoist something, you lift it. Hoist. Now we'll change the beginning sound to oist, moist. Read the word join, join. Now change the beginning sound j to k, oin, coin. Now we'll read each sentence in a whisper voice and talk to your partner or someone from your home to finish each sentence. I like to grow blank in the soil. Whisper voice. I like to grow blank in the soil. I'm going to talk to you guys. What do you like to grow in the soil? Tomatoes are my absolute favorite. Or strawberries. I love them both. I will eat them right out of the soil without washing them off. Okay, let's read the next sentence. I would say the $50 is my favorite. I loved President John F. Kennedy, and he's on the $50, his image. Okay, let's go on to a few of our spelling words. We have this little person dressed in overalls. It is a boy, boy. Now we'll work with our words that have the OI diphthong to make the same sound as OI, oi, boy. J-oy, joy. T-oy, toy. B-oy, boy. Name, here's a name. You can tell it's a proper noun because of the capital R. Oy, roy. Now look at the pictures. These pictures use the diphthong O-Y. So you can use the words, you can write on your individual whiteboard if you have one, on a piece of paper, or you can just say the words with me. Oy, joy. Look how happy she is. So that can be a name. This time we know it's not a name, Joy, because it doesn't have a capital J. It has a lowercase j. Joy. B-oy, boy. T-oy, toy. Now we'll read the sentences and talk about the words that have the diphthong OY this time. Roy likes to play with his toy truck. Roy and toy both have that OY sound. The boy will shout for joy. Boy, joy. Both have the OY sound. Okay, now we're going to work with those words and build them and change them a bit. So read the word boy, boy. Now change the beginning sound to oy, toy. Oy, roy. Change the beginning sound to a oy, joy. Now read each sentence in a whisper voice and talk to someone from your house to finish each sentence. What is your favorite toy? Oh, I guess my favorite toy is more creative. Since we've been off, I've been learning to diamond paint. Kind of like paint by numbers, but with little diamonds. So my favorite toy is my diamond painting. What is yours? Okay, let's go on to the next sentence. Blank brings me joy. Joy. What brings you joy? Oh, my students bring me joy. Sure. Okay, here's our high frequency words. The cow is above the moon. Above. A-B-O-V-E. Above. Just like the nursery rhyme, the cow jumped over the moon. Kim will build a sandcastle. Build. B-U-I-L-D. Build. Ted had a bad fall. Fall. F-A-L-L. Fall. Dad knew how to read a map. Knew. And that K is, you cannot hear it, K-N-E-W. Knew. So remember knew and know. I will save my money. Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. The toddler is walking toward his mom. Toward. T-O-W-A-R-D. Toward. Now we're going to look at the picture and talk about the high frequency word that matches it. So the cow is above the moon. Above. Let's say it 5 times. Above, 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 above. This girl, what is she doing to that sandcastle? Build. She will build a sandcastle. Build, 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 build. Oh no, what happened to this boy? Fall. Fall, 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 fall. Oh, Dad knew how to read a map. Knew, 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 knew. Money. Money, 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 money. And this baby stepped toward his mom. Toward. Toward. Okay, now these words sometimes flash on our computer. This time it's not flashing while I'm recording for some reason. So we have above, build. I'm kind of trying to make them flash. Fall, new, money, toward. Okay, let's see what we have next. So we'll read each sentence that contains the high frequency word, and then we'll talk about which high frequency word is in each sentence, is contained in each sentence. How much money does it cost? There's our high frequency word for this week, money. The dog ran toward the yard. Toward. How does rain fall from the sky? Fall. Oh, we missed one. The word above the door said exit. Above. Dad will build a fence around the pool. Build. She knew how to make my favorite cake. Cake. new. Now we'll read each sentence and we'll just again talk about that high frequency word containing each sentence. Usually we would write these on our whiteboard. Since we're learning from home, we'll do it this way. The dog ran toward his bike, and we chose toward. Sorry, the dog ran toward his bone on his bike. Okay, how much money do you have to spend? We chose money for that one. Can you build a house? Build. The leaves fall from the trees. From the tree, fall. Tom knew the answer to the question. Knew. I saw the moon above the hill. Above. Okay, let's read each question in a whisper voice. Then you will share with someone from your home your answer. I know a lot of you love to build things from Legos. Or do you love to build a sandcastle? Okay, now we're going to read one more time our high frequency words, our review. Another, 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 another. Climb, 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 climb. Full, 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 full. Great, 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 great. Pour, 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 pour. Through, 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 through. For, 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 for. Large, 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 large. None, 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 none. Only, 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 only. Put, 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 put. Round, 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 round. Began, 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 began. Better, 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 better. Guess, 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 guess. Learn, 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 learn. Right, 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 right. Remember that's right hand, left hand, not write with your pencil. Sure, 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 sure. Color, 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 color. Early, 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 early. Instead, 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 instead. Nothing, 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 nothing. Oh, 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 oh. Thought, 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 thought. Above, 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 above. Build, 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 build. Fall, 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 fall. New, 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 new. Money, 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 money. Toward, 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 toward. Okay, guys, have a nice day. Love and miss you all. There's my heart. Okay, have a nice afternoon. Keep working, keep reading.